Any of the items in the menu bar along the top and in the blue bar of the application window, and the icons that are below it, are either not frequently used or are not used at Yale at all. Here, we'll cover the ones that you might find helpful. Let's start with how to view jobs that are running in the background. To view reports that are currently running in the background, click on Navigate or press Alt-N on your keyboard to display the options that are available. Select Schedule and then select Jobs Running. A new tab will open displaying jobs in progress. To view the length of time it took for a report to run, select Navigate and then select Schedule from the menu and then select Job Notifications. A new tab will open displaying the start and end time for jobs run during the last 30 days. Within the Schedule section, under the Navigate menu, there is also an option to show parameters which will return a listing of saved parameters. However, this takes a long time to run, and it is not recommended for use. Use the other methods of editing and deleting parameter lists that we covered earlier. Let's examine the File menu and take a look at some of the options that are available. You can select Open Document or press Ctrl-O on your keyboard to open both program and output collection files. The Close option allows you to close tabs. Tabs can also be closed using the small X in the upper right-hand corner of each tab, or by right-clicking on the tab and selecting from the menu Close, Close All, or Close Others. You can have many tabs containing reports open at one time. However, you can only have one program collections file open at a time. The default Startup Options menu under the Preference area, under the File menu, allows you to select the tab that opens when you first enter the portal. The recommended option here is Explore. The training movies assume that everyone is starting from the Explore tab. Other options in the File menu are to log off and exit. Use Log Off when choosing to exit the portal, but to leave the browser window open so you can log back in later. Choosing Exit will exit you from the portal and will also give you the option of closing the browser tab. Let's take a look at the View menu to see how we can sort report files by name, type, or modified. Under the View menu, the most common options are Sort By and Refresh. Sort By enables you to sort files within a tab. The default is to sort by name, which is preferred by most users. Remember that within any main window you can click the name, description, type, or modified header to easily sort those files without using the application menu bar at all. Simply click the header again to change the sort from ascending to descending and back. The refresh option refreshes the screen, which can also be done by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard, or by right mouse clicking on a file in the main window and selecting Refresh from the menu, as we did earlier, or by using the refresh icon just below the Favorites menu item. We don't currently use the Tools menu here at Yale, and the Help menu offers some information that is non-Yale specific. Rather than spend a lot of time here, for questions about Data Warehouse portal functionality, we recommend that you send an email to dw.usersupport@yale.edu. Icons that are located right below the menu bar perform standard functions. If you hover your mouse over a button, a description will appear. The Home icon will take you to the home page that you've selected in the Preferences area of the File menu, for which most users is the Explore tab. The Open icon will allow you to open a parameter or output collection file. This is just another option to navigating through the folders within University's standard reports that have been described earlier. There is also an Explore icon that will open up the Explore tab and a Refresh icon that will refresh the portal window, which you might use to refresh your window when you're waiting for a report to populate your Explore tab.